Hello guys, how are you? I hope so that you guys would be good. So coming up with a new video regarding iOS 15 public beta. So today Apple has launched its much awaited iOS 15 public beta. So a lot of people are being waiting for that, and of course we know that some bugs can be there, but still people just wanted to try out the new features that we got in this iOS 15. So in this video we're gonna walk through the step-by-step procedure that how we can install iOS 15 public beta in our iPhone. So just watch till then. I hope so that you guys would like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. So let's check it out. Before to go through the installation of this iOS 15 public beta, I'm being recommending to you guys that you must have to take the backup of your iPhone, and that is being very important because this is not being a stable version, still under process. Some bugs can be there, it can affect your battery, it can affect some other things on your iPhone. So don't forget to take the backup of your iPhone. So mainly three ways to take the backup. The first one is the most easiest way, that is the iCloud. If you're having a lot of storage in iCloud, suppose if you have some storage like 50 GB, 100 GB, then you can take easily backup of your iPhone. That is the most easiest way. So just for to take up the backup of your iPhone through iCloud, so what you have to do, so very simple, you have to go to the settings app, then you have to go to your own account, your Apple account. So in this you will be getting option iCloud, and you have to go all the way down to iCloud backup. So this is iCloud backup, so you have to keep it on all the time, and you will be getting option down below backup now. So you can tap it on this, then you can back up your iPhone if you are having a storage in the iCloud. The second thing, if you are being a Mac user, then you can take backup of your iPhone in your Mac just by going into the Finder. And third thing, if you are being a Window user, then you can use the iTunes to take backup of your iPhone. So make sure you must have to take the backup of your iPhone. That is being very important before installing iOS 15 public beta. So just for to install the iOS 15 public beta, so 2-3 steps are being there, very simple. The first thing is being that you have to download the profile of iOS 15 public beta, and that profile that you have to install it in your iPhone. Then after that you will get iOS 15 public beta software in your software update option. So let's do it how we can go for it. So first of all, you have to go to the Safari app, and in this Safari app you have to go to the website of the Apple, that is beta.apple.com. So this is being the website of an Apple, in which you will get all the public betas of the various iOS devices. So in this beta.apple.com you will be redirecting to like this Apple beta software program. So you have to scroll down. So now you have to sign up with your Apple ID. If you are being already signed up, it's really good. So you have to tap onto the sign in. So after signing in, you will be getting a screen like this. In this you have to fill up your password, and like the way I have just filled up my face ID, so you have to tap on the continue. Basically you have to sign in with your Apple ID in this. So it is being signing in now. So now it is already been signed in this idmsa.apple.com. So after signing in, you will be redirected to a page that is guide for public beta. So in this page you will be getting all the public betas for the various iOS devices like iOS, iPad OS, Mac OS, TV OS and Watch OS. So now what you have to do, so you have to click on to the iOS, that is the first option. You have to scroll down and you have to go in this get started option. In this get started option, you will be getting one option over here in blue color, enroll your iOS device. So you have to tap on to enroll your iOS device. After enrolling your iOS device, you will be directed to this page, and in this page again you have to scroll down and you have to go to the second option, that is install profile. So this is the install profile. So from here you can download the profile of iOS 15 public beta. So for this you have to tap onto the download profile. So after you tap it on the download profile, you will be getting this option. They will ask you that this website is trying to download a configuration profile, so do you want to allow this? So here you have to allow this. I have already downloaded it before, so that's why I'm just ignoring it. So you have to allow it, so your profile will be downloaded. And after your profile is being downloaded, you have to go to the settings. In the settings, you will get your profile, and then you have to install it. So after your profile is being downloaded, you have to go to the settings app. In the settings app, and you can see, if you scroll down, so you can see profile over here, just the underside of VPN. So this is being the profile which I have already downloaded and installed it in the settings app. So now what you have to do, so you have to uh, go to the journal, and in this journal you have to go to the second option, software update. So now that software update iOS 15 public beta will be shown to you in this. So it's being a very big update, around 5 GB. So this is being the one I've already started to download it. So iOS 15 public beta 2. So in this way you can download the profile of iOS 15 public beta, and then you can install it in the settings app, and afterwards you can update your software in your iPhone. So now you will be getting your iOS 15 public beta software in the software update option in the general option. So again, I'm being telling that this is not being a stable version, still under process. Still, if you guys just want to take a risk, so you can take a risk and just enjoy the new features of iOS 15 through this, and otherwise you have to wait for the September for its stable version to be released. So this was being the short explanation how to install this iOS 15 public beta. I hope so that you guys would like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. So we'll meet you guys in my next video.